January 2023, 19-year-old Alexee Trevizo sought medical attention at Artesia General Hospital for reported back pain. While initial assessments revealed an undisclosed pregnancy, which Trevizo denied, it was her prolonged and secluded time in a hospital restroom that first raised staff concerns. The events that transpired within that room and what was subsequently found would quickly escalate beyond a routine medical visit, triggering a significant law enforcement investigation.
So we started working her up. We did a pregnancy test on her, showed positive. She was denying that she had sex. Then she said she had to go to the bathroom. She went to the bathroom. She was in there for quite a while. We kept knocking on the door. Finally, we got her to open the door, and there was blood everywhere. She was cleaning it up. Okay. So we took her back to the room, and I was afraid that she knew she was pregnant. She had done something to herself. So the doctor started doing an exam on her. We had the lady come to clean the bathroom. She put the baby in the trash can, and then she put another clean liner over the top of it.
Oh, wow. Okay.
So when they looked in there, there was no trash in there, but it was underneath the clean bag. The baby's dead. Okay, we have him in trauma too, but she killed the kid.
Yeah. How old was the baby?
I don't know. It's full term. She just had it. She had it in the bathroom. Was what happened, and then whatever she did, I don't know. She's gonna lie. She wouldn't tell us she's pregnant. She's been lying the whole time.
Hospital staff grew increasingly concerned about Alexee Trevizo after she spent an unusually long time in a locked bathroom. When they finally gained access, they were met with a scene covered in blood. The horrifying truth soon emerged. Alexee had secretly given birth to a full-term baby, then concealed the deceased newborn in the bathroom trash can.
Okay, so the first thing though is I need to make sure that the mother, the woman who delivered the baby, is medically stable. I don't know if she delivered a placenta. She's bleeding a lot. I just got her accepted to Loveless. Okay. So I need to get her up there as soon as possible.
Okay, take this over here right
Okay, so how I need to tell her what's going on, and I need to tell the mother what's going on. The mother, they're both in there together. Is one of you willing to be present for that conversation? Are you guys going? Yeah. Okay, let's go in right now and do this.
With the tragic discovery of the deceased infant, the immediate medical priority became Alexee Trevizo. Doctors noted she was bleeding significantly, and it was unclear if she had delivered the placenta. Arrangements were quickly made for an emergency transfer to Lovelace Hospital for specialized obstetric care.
We discovered a dead baby in the bathroom.
Oh my gosh. I'm sorry. It came out of me and I didn't know what to do.
Lexi, I told you about this. I just asked you, baby, to tell me the truth.
It was not crying or nothing.
What did you do to it?
Okay, stop right here. Stop. Number one priority, guys. Number one priority is she just had a baby. I don't know if she's delivered the placenta. She's bleeding significantly.
Yeah.
I've spoken to the obstetrician at Loveless. They want her up there as soon as possible.
Okay.
I obviously need your permission to transfer her for medicals. She needs to
She's
be
19.
Oh, you're right.
But she is a student too.
She's still 19 years
you're
old.
right. You're right. She needs to. I'm sorry, I forgot she's 19.
A lot came out of me.
But you need to make sure that you're safe. I need to send you to Loveless to labor delivery.
Her baby had been found deceased in the bathroom. Visibly distraught, Alexee admitted the baby came out of me and claimed it wasn't crying. Her mother reacted with shock and dismay as the doctor stressed the urgent need for Alexee's medical transfer due to her condition.
Will you please agree to that?
Yes.
Okay, great. I'm going to work on that. I'm sorry about this, but in terms of delivering a baby and it looked like you tried to hide it, we do have to have the police involved.
And nothing was crying. It came out with nothing.
I know. But the baby's going to have to be taken for autopsy and there'll be an investigator and everything. I'm really sorry, guys. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. But we need to do this correctly. And I want to be transparent with you about what our steps are going to be.
Because the baby was born and seemingly hidden, police involvement was mandatory. Alexee and her mother were informed that the infant would undergo an autopsy and a formal investigation would commence.
Do you guys have, I'm the charge nurse here, do you guys have any questions for me?
Like how big is the baby?
It's full term.
What? 9 months?
Nothing was crying.
Lexi, have you watched the news of the girls that what they do to their babies and what they go to jail?
Nothing was crying.
The charge nurse confirmed to those present that the baby was full term. Her mother, anguished, questioned if Alexee understood the severity of the situation, alluding to other cases where young mothers faced serious jail time.
So as of right now, like I said, is we're gonna have the detectives come over here and they're gonna talk to you, okay? We have to gather some more information about what's going on. They'll get your statement. They're gonna get the doctor's statements. They're gonna get everybody's statements, okay? So I don't know everything yet, okay? So I'm not gonna tell you. I can't tell you nothing honestly, okay? All I can
But
say
she's
is
not gonna go to jail.
right now she's
No.
well, right now she's being detained, so she's not gonna leave from here at all. Period. Okay. So one of us will
She's
be
in your custody? Like,
Yeah, she's detained.
oh my
Yeah, she's not under arrest, but she is
Okay.
detained. Okay, she's not free to leave. So while this whole thing is coming up, you're not free to leave. Okay, one of us will be in here the whole time with you, because you're not gonna try to leave or nothing like that.
She
All right.
won't.
Like I said, the detectives will be here. They're gonna talk to you. I mean, your care is of the utmost right now. Okay, they're gonna do what they need to do to take care of you to make sure you get stable. They get you transferred out or whatever. Like I said, the detectives are already been notified. They're already on the way, so they're gonna come talk to you. All right. So don't leave. Don't try to do nothing. One of us is always gonna be in here in this room with you. Okay, unless we have to step out for doctor's orders or something like that, because if they need to examine you or do something with you. But other than that, like I said, you are detained. You are not free to leave at this point. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Detectives were on their way to gather statements from everyone involved, including hospital staff and Alexee herself. He made it clear that Alexee was now being detained and was not free to leave the hospital premises, with an officer remaining present with her.
Where did you put the baby at? Tell me the truth.
When we got in there,
517.
That came out in the toilet.
bag. She was crying.
You put it in the bag?
Yes.
Yeah.
In what bag?
In the trash bag.
Why didn't you say anything to us? Do you want to get in trouble for this now? You could get in trouble for this, baby.
Mom, alright, just give it time, okay? Let us speak to detectives whenever she's ready, okay?
In a tense and emotional exchange, Alexee's mother pressed her for the truth about what she did with the baby. An officer intervened, suggesting the mother allow Alexee some space.
Okay, Alexee. I know it's kind of tough right now, okay? I know you're scared. I know everything else, okay? As of right now, I cannot allow your mom to be in here with you, okay? So once the detectives get here, then she may be able to come back in here. But as of right now, I can't allow her to be back in here, okay? If you need something, we're not going to stay in here, okay? Because I think it makes it worse that we're here anyway, all right, obviously. And I know you're scared. So what we're going to do is we're going to stay on the outside of the door, okay? As long as you promise me you're not going to hurt yourself, okay? Like I said, this is a lot. I know it is, okay? You're young, you know. I don't want to be in here kind of adding to your anxiety and everything else, okay? If you need something, just push that button, okay? And then they'll come in there. They're on the way, okay? Okay? So as soon as they get here, they're going to talk to you. I mean, the reason
My
why...
mom be allowed in here.
Your mom, well, not yet. So I can't let you come back in here yet.
So when they get here,
Yeah, once they get here, then it's up to the detectives to get out to them if you can come back here. If they're okay with her coming back here, then you come back here, okay? The reason why is because you're an adult, you're 19 years old.
An officer spoke privately with Alexee, acknowledging her fear. He explained that her mother couldn't remain in the room until detectives arrived and gave their approval, as Alexee was legally an adult. To ease her anxiety, the officer offered to wait just outside her door, provided she promised not to harm herself.
They'll be here for her in 30 minutes.
Come on.
They're going to transfer her in 30 minutes?
Okay, I'll let them know. Okay, thank you. Okay, we're gonna be out there. If you need something, let us know, okay? All right. Oh, baby. She had the baby before they... Right. She's still in there. She's gonna get airlifted out, transferred out. because she's still, whatever she's got going on or whatever, so they're gonna transfer her out. The housekeeper, I didn't talk to her too much, just got a brief statement from her, got her information, and then the nurse had actually went in there, got the baby and opened the bag, and then they rushed her to the baby into trauma 1, and that's when they started working. So I got the bathroom closed off, and then I got the trauma room closed off, because the trauma room, the housekeeper went in there because they called her to go clean it up. So obviously before she checked the trash can, she cleaned everything up. When she threw everything in the trash can, she looked it up, felt it was heavy, put it down, and she looked in there, and that's when she saw the baby.
Later, an officer recounted the sequence of events, noting the baby was full term. CCTV footage captured Alexee's movements. He detailed how a housekeeper, called to clean the trauma room where the infant had been taken, made the grim discovery upon lifting a heavy trash bag. Both the bathroom and the trauma room were then secured as crime scenes.
The door, and I said, "Are you okay?" And she said, "Yes, I'm fine. I'm just having a hard time going to the bathroom," is what she replied. And all I saw was like blood everywhere, like on the walls, on the toilet. It just looked like a horror film. And that's when I yelled for my charge nurse, which was HT. And I told him, hey, she put her baby in the trash can. So I handed the baby to him, and he took off to the trauma room and opened up the bag, and then that's when we went and got Dr. Vasquez.
A hospital staff member provided a harrowing account, describing the scene when Alexee finally opened the bathroom door as a horror film, with blood everywhere. She immediately alerted her charge nurse, who then found the baby in the trash can. Alexee was airlifted to another hospital for continued medical treatment. The police investigation intensified. The focus began to shift from the immediate hospital scene towards Alexee Trevizo's home.
Tell me what's going on.
For her arrest.
Okay.
I will give it to her whenever
Can I see your warrant?
she can see the warrant when she gets arrested.
This is my house. I
Right.
have a right to see the warrant.
I'm letting you know she has a warrant for her arrest. We don't have a search warrant for your house. We have a warrant for her arrest.
Okay, can we see the warrant?
Yeah, once we
She gets a copy of it.
Can I go up there when you take her up there?
You can go to the detention. Do you know where it is?
Everything?
It's
Okay, so what is she under arrest for?
She's over 18. She's got a copy.
I understand that,
Right.
Detective Gonzalez.
Right.
What is she under arrest for?
She has a warrant for arrest. Okay?
For what?
That's all I'm going to tell you. Okay?
What do you mean that's all you're going to tell me?
I mean, she's over the age of 18.
I understand that, but I have a right to know as well.
And we'll tell you that, but we
Okay,
we
then
need
let
the
me know
cooperation.
now.
We need the cooperation.
Let me know now. I'm giving you the cooperation. I told you answer my question.
Well,
What is she under arrest for?
Like I said, she's over the age of 18. Like, that we can't relinquish that information. But if you bring her out here, we'll tell you.
What is she under
If
arrest
you bring her out here,
for?
we'll tell you right in front of you.
No, I'm not bringing her out here yet. Let me know what she's under
She's
arrest
gonna get
for.
arrested regardless, ma'am. I mean, I don't know why you're
For what? For what? For what?
Are you okay with telling me?
Yeah, go ahead.
Tell me.
Homicide. Open count of homicide. And tampering with evidence.
Tampering with evidence
Yes.
at the hospital?
At the Trevizo residence, officers informed Alexee's mother they possessed an arrest warrant for her daughter. The mother repeatedly demanded to see the warrant, but officers explained Alexee, as an adult, would receive it. After a tense exchange, officers revealed Alexee was being arrested on charges of an open count of homicide and tampering with evidence.
Can I see the warrant?
It's an arrest warrant for her. It's
Okay,
not a
can I
search
see
warrant
the
for your
arrest warrant?
house.
I want to see the arrest warrant.
And what will that prove?
You bet when this is over, I'm coming for the police department and the hospital. I am.
Yes, ma'am.
Gary, this is Bertha. Gary? The detectives are here wanting to arrest us.
Alexee's mother made several phone calls seeking support and legal advice. She expressed frustration over not being shown the warrant immediately, and during one call, stated her intent to take future action against both the police department and the hospital.
I will give it to you. Please don't.
Backside Aguilar,
Please don't.
she ran away from 1002
Yeah, man, it's nothing personal. It really isn't. And we understand. But we have to do our jobs too, okay?
I understand that. I understand that.
Who's this?
That's Melody. That's Devin's mom. She's good. She's okay.
We're not going to be rough with her or anything. We're just going to take her over there and book her.
Please don't be rough with her, please.
Just bring her out. You can be with her the entire time, okay?
Do you know where the public safety complex is? 3300 West Main?
You can follow us over there. I will take you there. You can follow me over there.
As soon as I release the criminal complaint to her, she can then give it to you there, okay?
When can I get, like, her bond? What?
That's set up by the judge. It's Magistrate Judge Chuck Foster. He should be doing it. If it's after 3, he'll be doing it in the morning.
As Alexee's arrest became imminent, her mother tearfully pleaded with the officers to handle her daughter gently. The officers reassured her they would not be rough and explained that she could accompany Alexee during the booking process. They also detailed how bond would be determined by a judge.
What's your name?
Alexee.
Okay. What's the last 4 of your social?
She don't even know it.
You don't know it?
I don't know. I don't remember.
Alexee, do you know your date of birth?
Yes.
Okay.
What is it?
11/25 birthday.
Yeah.
Do you have to walk her all the way over there? Can you bring your car up here?
It's up to you.
Yeah.
That's all. Just please.
I'll go get it.
Alexee, are you okay with your mom getting your criminal complaint when we get to the detention center? It has your personal information
Can you
on
repeat
it.
that?
Are you okay with your mother getting the criminal complaint? It has your personal identifying information on it. Serial number, date of birth.
Yes.
Are you okay?
Yes.
Okay. I have to serve you first, then your mom can get it, okay?
Okay.
An officer then asked Alexee if she consented to her mother receiving a copy of the criminal complaint, which contained personal information, once Alexee herself had been officially served.
No medications, anything you need to take while you're in there?
No, sir, no.
Okay.
She has still been, like, bleeding, so I don't know if she needs...
Do you have any, I don't know if they have tampons.
They do have feminine products.
Okay.
Okay.
But I'm pretty sure if you take your own, you can use your own if you need it.
Can she? Do you want to grab some? Can she grab some of that right quick? Or?
Yes.
Do you mind if
Get your little bag.
one of us goes with you?
Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Just making sure you're doing...
Just grab me a little.
Okay. And just nothing sharp, no flammables, nothing sharp, okay? Okay, they're gonna check it when you get over there, okay?
Okay.
Confirms that address is 611 North 1st Street. 611 North 1st.
Okay, we'll check those same thing, okay? We're gonna check all that when you get over there, okay? Thank you.
I'm going up there right now too. Okay.
All right. What's in there?
Personal pads.
Personal pads?
Yeah, she needs them.
Follow me.
Officers asked if Alexee required any medication or essential personal items for her time in detention. Her mother mentioned Alexee was still bleeding. Officers permitted her to pack a small bag with necessities, which would be inspected. Following her arrest at her home, Alexee Trevizo was transported to the police station for booking. She was subsequently formally charged with first-degree murder in the death of her newborn son and with tampering with evidence. What are your thoughts on this case? And what do you think the biggest challenges will be in finding justice for all involved? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth updates on compelling cases and the complexities of justice system.